Captain Andy's Sailing Adventures, The Adventure Travelers. An honest review. We saw spectacular wildlife and amazing views of the Na Pali coast that would just take your breath away. And of course, a secret snorkeling spot. One of the staff saw this little ladybug on Michael's shoulder. That's good luck too. The morning was really beautiful and people started arriving to Captain Andy's and they made us feel really welcome. They had food and people met each other. It was awesome. And we got our yellow ticket. I didn't realize that, but that was Captain Tony. And they wanted us to take off our shoes because really that's the best way to get around. Now, because Michael and I sailed across the South Pacific together, we understand the value of teamwork. This catamaran was truly upscale, yet really casual. And as I was snooping around, I was looking at all the little details, and I know that matters. Dino could tell this was definitely quality. Captain Tony's going to introduce some staff. This is Casey. The staff had such a super chill vibe.
We'll be cooking as you come up out of the water.
This is Nicole, our super talented chef. Look at this view that Nicole has from her galley. And this is super chill Kylie. While everybody was really having fun, I just kind of took a minute to myself and just was taking in all the breeze and the beautiful scenery. We were barely out of the harbor and yep, we spotted dolphins. So right away we started seeing spinner dolphins. The staff really encouraged us to get as close as we could. This was one of Captain Andy's other catamarans.
Over there, guys, give Bobby a big wave. Hello. Just got back from prison. Great guy. Welcome back, Bobby.
Let's get back to Captain Tony. He was very friendly and outgoing and introduced himself to everybody. As we made our way down the coast, Chef Nicole started taking everyone's orders, which was great. Of course, Michael's up chatting it up with the captain. The staff really had this playful vibe. They wanted us to get down on the trampoline and get as close to the dolphins as we could.
I bet you guys are in
conservation mode in the morning, but they can, of course, hold their breath when they're diving down, feeding.
Do you want to come up on me?
Fishing village, people who lived here. This is the, they fished.
Truly, every single staff member was an invaluable wealth of information just about sea life, about sailing, about anything you could think of with the Na Pali coast.
Some of you may recognize the beach and most of you may not. But this was used in 6 Days and 7 Nights with Harrison Ford and Anne Hesh.
So Casey is getting ready to raise the sails, and we're going to start doing some actual sailing. If you've never sailed before, this would be a really great introduction to sailing because the staff made you feel really relaxed, but at the same time they were having fun and just made everyone else feel relaxed. And yes, this is Chef Nicole at the helm, Anyone at the helm has to have a captain's license, so they're all very professional. This is Kylie. She's setting up a preventer, which helps the sails just stay in a safe place. It's a lot of work, trust me, I know. And Casey is now letting out the jib. Yay, we're sailing. And now he's tying up the other side of the preventer. I honestly can't keep track of where all the staff are because they're helping each other. It's just a total teamwork.
Aboard the Southern Star. You're more than welcome to help. Aloha!
It's an important job, right?
Very important job. You gotta help the crew. That way the crew respect you.
Totally. So Captain Tony and Mike are getting snorkel gear ready to go on an amazing snorkel in our secret snorkel spot. And Chef Nicole is getting the locally sourced... Wait a minute, Michael's photo bombing. Anyway, all the food is locally sourced and handmade from scratch, including all the spices are mixed by hand. It's amazing food. You'll see in just a little bit. Casey also is an accomplished diver and swimmer and also has his captain's license. Safety is very paramount on this trip, of course, so Casey is on a rescue board, just making sure everybody's okay, taking an eye out, and look at the wildlife underneath. The fish and just the color of the water is amazing. It felt just as good. There's no need to bring your gear either because they have everything here, and actually they have really good quality stuff. Here's Captain Tony kind of explaining how you use everything. I was very impressed about their mask and snorkel. Super good quality. So if you're a beginner, this is actually a really good place to kind of test your skills. The water was very calm and warm, and everybody's there to help you. They call you on the shell when the lunch is ready. And here's those homemade hamburger buns. Oh yes, homemade. And I ate every single bit of mine with no guilt. So here's Michael just about to get in. And there's Casey to his right. And I'm going to show you that I actually missed Casey's first jump into the water, so I thought I would actually get his second jump. Here we go. Yay! And there goes Mike.
That's the highlight.
This reminded me of some romantic 1940s lagoon movie. I couldn't resist. Okay, enough of the romance. Let's get some grub with the help of Captain Tony once again and all the other staff. Chef Nicole's lunch was so good, I can't even tell you. Michael and I had a quick toast. I looked at my delicious lunch, and I promptly ate every bit of it. I am not kidding you. These were the best cookies I have ever had. And I don't think it's just because I was on the open water. They were amazing. And a little after lunch chat with Captain Tony about Michael and I when we crossed the Pacific Ocean together. what made this great was really the people. The people and the staff. Everybody was truly amazing and so professional, yet just had such a cool, chill vibe. And once again, everybody's helping, pitching in.
Let us help.
Thanks for coming out.
This was definitely a hand slap and high five day. We give Captain Andy's sailing adventures an honest and solid thumbs up. Please like, share, subscribe, or comment to the Adventure Travelers.